Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. This is going to be a very short video. So I've talked quite a bit about this Action 6 and a number of different action cameras. One of the things I haven't talked a lot about is a very convenient way to carry this around with you where the lens, the different screens are going to be protected. And most of you who have looked at these cameras know that the screens can be one of the weakest areas, when it comes to bumping into things. Nobody wants their cameras to be all scratched up. Now, STARTRC did send a product out to me that I want to show you guys. This is a little cover that zips that allows you to completely protect the camera. This also comes with like a little lanyard and a carabiner. So if you're into that kind of thing, maybe you want to hang this on something, you'll be able to. Now, the way this works really simply, as you guys see, it unfolds like so. It's already pressed, indented for the lens. Now, I don't know if this is going to work with ND filters already on the camera, but we'll see. We'll test it. So right now we can take this and we can just kind of wrap this around the camera. You really don't even have to go that far to see what it's going to look like. Single zipper. And this is going to zip almost all the way underneath. Now, if you did want to attach the lanyard or the carabiner to it, there's a little flap right here on the side that's going to allow you to do that. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's very, very nice. Man, okay, so this is like a semi-rigid little case. This is going to add a lot of additional protection to it. So let's throw an ND filter on here just to see if this will fit with a standard ND filter on here, because I know a lot of you guys like myself, when we're going out, we will have ND filters of some type on. Now I have a variable ND that I'm just going to pop on here real quick just to see if that'll work. Now that might be a little too thick for it, but we'll see. All right, I can tell already that's too thick. So let's use a single ND filter just to see what that's going to look like. So let me grab one of those. All right, so this is a single ND filter that most people will have that'll just press over the lens. And let's see if we can fit that on here as well. It's a little snug, but I think, yep. All right, so if you're using a single ND filter, you should be just fine with this. The variable ND filter seemed a little bit tight for me, but it's possible that you still could have fit this on there with that. I'm, not comfortable with that. But for running and gunning, going out into sunny environments, whether you're using a polarizer, an ND filter, or something like that, UV filter, whatever the case it may be that you have to protect your lens, this is going to give you a great protection for all of the sensitive and fragile areas of your camera. So definitely take a look at this little case from STARTRC. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.